everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you guys do not know who I am, my name is Sabrina Isabelle and welcome to my channel. And before we get started into this video, please subscribe to my channel. First things first, I had this makeup on my face for almost like 9 hours. So it's a little bit oily, so I don't really care of the canvas right now on my face. So today's video is about a makeup remover sponge which was sent to me by CocoShine. All the videos that I've done with the CocoShine recently and today, the discount code is still Sabrina20. So but yeah, the discount code is still valid for the teeth whitening and the organic clay mask. And as of this video, it has been the same discount code since the very first time I actually did the CocoShine review. So they were so sweet enough to send me one pad. Okay, one of these pads. They sell one individually or they sell in 3 in a pack. So the individual one retails $14.95, and if you want to get the 3 pack, it's actually $30 in the website, which is $29.95, which is just 5 cents difference, so it's about like $30. I would advise you guys to actually get the 3 pack because it's more worth it. This is almost like $15 for one if you guys really want to actually try this out. Let's go and take all this funkiness off my face. How you're actually supposed to use this. So this is supposed to remove your makeup and facial mask fast without making a mess. So these microfibers which dip into pores and removes all traces of makeup, keeping your face clean and fresh. You wet the pad with water and gently wipe away makeup and mask. Trap and remove makeup residue with our pad ultra thin microfiber technology. So since I'm in my studio, so I got my very nice cute pink bowl right here in front of me. No soap, no nothing, it's just water. I'm just going to dip the sponge. Should I just try to take it off at the side first, guys? Oh wow, it does remove, guys. It's just a little bit difficult to go underneath the eye area, but it actually did remove my makeup, guys. Okay, so you have 2 sides, so you can use now I'm interested to see my eyes, because I got eyeliner and eye makeup on my eyes. Let's see, so put it here. Let's do this 2-3 times, see what happens. Oh wow, it doesn't remove a waterproof mascara. Okay, it just made my eyes look scary right now. Yeah, it's very hard to do around the eye area. I would recommend you guys not to actually use this to around your eye area because it pulls a little bit. But let's see, liquid lipstick. Let's go. It does need 2-3 times. Got the whole lip mark there. So I'm actually going to go and wash my dead face right now, and I'm just going to leave this like this in the water just to let it marinate a little bit. This pad doesn't remove waterproof mascara, so I'll just go in with my normal Garnier makeup remover. I would definitely give it for this sponge is because I was literally using heavy duty makeup today. I was actually using the Huda Beauty foundation on my face together with the Urban Decay waterproof setting powder, and it did remove. So overall, of course, I'm in love with this. It does take up your liquid lipstick off your lips. Yeah, it takes about 2 or 3 times to wipe off, but it does take it out. Let me talk to you guys about the longevity of this sponge. So this sponge can last you up to 200 washes. So I'm going to show you guys how you actually can wash this off. So what I would do personally is I will just take any soap. I'm actually taking the Lifebuoy antibacterial. For me, I like antibacterial. Anything which is antibacterial, just move it around. And when you're actually doing that, let me show you guys. Can you see? The makeup comes out. You just keep doing that. I had the bowl of water. I just mixed the soap and I washed it, and it's clean, guys. You can see a little bit of the liquid lipstick still there, but as you can see, just with the normal Lifebuoy soap, all your makeup is actually removed from the sponge. If you don't want to actually ruin this, try not to use this for liquid lipsticks. So yeah, but overall, I really love it. I really think that this is really worth the buy. It's super good for traveling. You know, sometimes when I have traveled before and forgot to actually bring my makeup remover with me, and you know, I found it very difficult to actually remove my makeup, but this is a lifesaver if you are a traveler or if you're going out or staying in a friend's place and you need something to actually remove your makeup that quickly. This would be the one for you guys. I truly love the sponge a lot, and I truly do recommend you guys to actually get the 3-pack instead of the individual sponge. And you guys can actually use my discount code, which is Sabrina20, and you definitely get a 20% off. And thank you CocoShine, they were so sweet to actually send me this sponge, where I actually mentioned it in my previous video that I was going to go get myself this sponge and try it out because I found it interesting, and they were so sweet to actually send me this to review for you guys. So yeah, I really love this brand CocoShine a lot. They are really a cruelty-free brand. Their clay masks are all organic. Their teeth whitenings are all organic. That's the reason why I love this brand so much. Their products are good. Their products are good, guys. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.